Barry here, and I'd like to tell you a story about an amazing canary with a beautiful, beautiful voice. There was only one problem. This canary was invisible. Legend has it, though, that if you capture this elusive little bird, he will sing a song or two for you and then vanish again. Well, I thought what I would do, I'd go out and buy me a canary catcher. I needed a canary. See what it says here? It says Canary Catcher. That's what I have. Now, how this canary catcher, you use this bag to catch him, and of course no. You have to close the bottom of the bag, otherwise the canary escapes, all right? So what you do is just kind of stand around nonchalantly, and when you think the canary might be in the air, you'll swoop down like it. Now let me see. Let me feel down the bottom of the bag here. Well, looky here what I captured. A beautiful little canary bird. Very pretty, yeah. Okay, sing a song for us. You promised to sing a song, okay? All right, come on. We're waiting. Hey, that was really beautiful. Yeah, I like that. How about one more song? Sing one more song, and I promise I'll let you go. You can vanish again. Okay? Go ahead. One more song. Wow, that was so beautiful. All right. I will keep my word. All right. All right. Back in the bag. All right. Here we go. In the air. Bam. He's gone. The canary has vanished. And that, my friend, is called Canary Catcher. Thanks for watching.